Hey everyone, I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how you can add videos from the Answers VBS YouTube channel to a playlist on your own YouTube channel without having to download the video from Answers VBS and also re-uploading it to your channel. So here is the YouTube studio from our children's ministry channel. And you see, if I click on playlists, it will bring up the playlist that I have created. I created one playlist for every day. And once you've created those playlists, you're ready to go. Now, in a second tab here, I've pulled up the Answers VBS YouTube page. And I found the easiest way to do this is to go to the playlists. And then when you get to the playlist that you want, let's say I want to start adding science videos, I'm going to click View Full Playlist. And then you get this view, and it's really nice because you get this little three dots here beside each video. And I can click on that and hit Save to Playlist. When I do that, this little window pops up. It's got all of my playlists from my channel that I'm signed into. So I can click one box or multiple boxes to place it in multiple playlists. And once I do that, you're done. Click box out and go to the next video and repeat the process. You can continue to do that over and over, and you can add the songs, the drama, teaching lessons, whatever you want. And then you can go back to your playlists here in YouTube Studio. And then once you're in that playlist, you'll see that the video is down here at the bottom that I just added, Science Day 1. You can grab it and reorder your playlist however you see fit. So I hope that's helpful to you, and hope that everything with Incrediworld goes great for you.